Perseverance has been the key to success for one of the oldest furniture shops in Fiji, Amira. Established in Nadi in the 90s, the family-owned business rose to popularity with its unique style of furniture. However, a major setback a few years ago almost caused the business to shut down. In our Successful Fijian segment tonight, we take a look at the struggles and sacrifices Amira Furniture's Fiji endured to continue surviving.
Michael Mackey's love for furniture has been the driving passion for Amira, and setting up a company was also a dream, says his wife Kitty Marie Mackey.
He felt that Fiji needed good quality furniture, especially for the people of Fiji or the islands. We are big people, and he felt that we needed something strong and something durable.
Marie says her husband Michael, who is originally from Sydney, has been in the furniture business his entire life and started off from the then Burns Phillip in 1982. The two met in 1988, fell in love before starting their furniture business, which they named after their firstborn. However, Marie says things were never rosy.
Yeah, there were challenges throughout our business, and we overcame them. We had to. We sacrificed a lot, and we also struggled throughout the years. And thank God, we have come to what we are today.
But the couple was also determined that they will be successful.
What kept us going was our family. We needed to educate them, all locally educated, and that brought us joy.
Amira Furniture has also become a renowned brand for many Fijians over the years.
We have become known to the public, and at one time we sold to the Pacific region, namely Tonga, the Solomon Islands, New Caledonia, also to New Zealand, Australia, and to Italy.
The simple message also from Marie to those who want to start up their own business is that if you are passionate about it, nothing will stop you from achieving your goals. Philip and Ikaso, FBC News.